Is hot. All stations waving green except for 12, who is waving yellow.
Well, Saturday night, what a day, and you can hear from her voice after just absolutely screaming at Archie McDonald as he won the Harley Davidson race here on Saturday afternoon. Quite a story, as you've just heard, and here we have. I'm all lined up for a ride around the circuit. I forget what they call it, something corral, but anyway, I get to ride with a whole group of people. Harleys are just coming back after they've had a ride. I think there's a Ducati Club version, and then the rest of us, including marshals, get to ride around the circuit of the Americas here on a Saturday evening. What a fantastic opportunity. And it's something I've been advocating for in Australia in my own small way, to thank the marshals is to have this kind of thing on. You can get people to pay on a Saturday evening after the main racing to go riding, and then throw the marshals on the front for nothing, other than covering obviously off on the insurance issues and the like. But what a